I don't want to go too far into step number 3. We'll talk about step number 4 here now, and that's post-processing. So that's taken all the junk that the model's thrown out, this is the nasty looking data, and that's interpreting it into these nice plots, right? We've got the College of DuPage here, and we also have TwisterData pivotal weather, right? When it ends up on these nice maps, this is what we like to see, right? This is that nice looking output. This is how we end up understanding what our atmosphere is going to be like as we go through time. And so this is where we start to transition a little bit from, a quick course on how the models work into now how do we use them. And how we use them is going to depend on the model that we're looking at. It's going to depend on what our goals are. There's a lot more that goes into that. We'll talk more about that when we get into the rules of thumb section of this training. But in general, as we go forward here, always keep in mind the things that we talked about as we're starting to figure out how models work, because that's very important and imperative for you to understand as we go forward. So that's step number 4 there, and that's just turning it into the nice plots. That's just more programming and things, and that's not really important to us as storm chasers. Somebody out there is already doing it for us. So, where can we find our forecast models? The list is endless. There are just a ton of places that you can find.
Subscribe to the best deal in storm chasing. Chaser Academy, link in bio.